This video I am showing you how to enable two-step verification on Telegram. So firstly open your Telegram app and then click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and here you can see the third last option, settings. Click on the settings and then scroll down to the settings tab and click on the privacy and security. When you are here, you have to scroll down to the security tab and then click on the two-step verification. When you are here, it is saying that you can set a password that will be required when you log in on a new device. In addition to the code you get in the SMS, you can click on the set password, and here you can enter a password like this. So let's see, I enter this password. After entering the password, click on the continue button, and here you have to also enter the password. Re-enter the password that you have entered on the first page, and then here you have to give a password hint, or you can also skip it. So you could to skip, click on the skip button in the top right corner, and here it is better for you if you give a recovery email. So you can add a recovery email, so you can tap a email and then it will be set to your recovery mail if you click on the continue button. And now you have to verification code. So to complete two-step verification setup, check your email and don't forget the spam folder and enter the code we just sent you. So firstly what you can do from here is you have to open your Gmail app like this, and then you can simply load this app and you can see this verification code. So you have to type this verification code you see in this email box. So you can type the password, type the verification code you see, and then click on the return to settings, and now here you have to enter your password, so like this. And so in my case, click on this icon, and now it will you have to enter your password and you can see all these things. So to here you can see all these options, so you can also change password, turn password off, you can change recovery email, or you can do this. So that's it, that how you can do this. So that's it, that how you can enable your two-step verification. And to disable it, you have to re-enter your password, and then you can click on this icon. You have to enter password and then click on the done in the top right corner, and here you can see the option of turn password off. Click on this, and it is saying that are you sure you want to disable your password. Click on this disable, and now it is saying that two-step verification is off. So that's it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.